this match. ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚಿಮಿಗೆಯಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಜೆಪ್ಪು ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಚಾಲೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚಿಮಿಗೆಯಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
अजमल इम्तियाज आतिफा मंसूर ओके मी आपण करू मेसेज जोडू आपण व्हाट्सएप ನಾನು ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So what a match, not only in Derlekate, also the viewers are watching in YouTube channel that is reached 3.1k people watched the last match here. That's a tied match. What an atmosphere in the Derlekate ground. Dilip, yes, we are getting the green signal of the Super Over match. Ajmal the captain at the strikers end, Imtiaz Bengre at the non-strikers end. Here is Dilip. Dilip, right arm over the wicket to right-hand batsman Ajmal. Good delivery. They're gone for the caught, but there is no appeal from the LBW. That is quite not understandable from KCR Kadri. If umpire signal leg byes, they could have been go for the LBW appeal instead of going for the catch, because the ball is almost heading there off stump line. They could have been get opportunity, but they are gone for the appeal for the caught. That's why batsman is survived. Here is the second time Dilip to Imtiaz Bengre. Oh, that is a brilliant ball. Again sliding down the leg side. There's a big smile on the face of Dilip. They knows he bowled a slow delivery for Imtiaz. Imtiaz waited and waited. In the end, ball was touched his leg and gone to the short fine leg region. They got a single once again. What a match. What a match we have witnessed it here. And this is a wonderful cricket match. This time Ajmal played into the long on region. There's a protection at boundary line. Damodar there. And batsman had again going for the single. 3 singles in 3 ball. 2 from the leg boys. Can Imtiaz play the big shot here? Can he play the defensive stroke and collect the single? Oh, beauty of the delivery. I think ball missed the stump there. Sandeep quite excited behind the stump. This is a brilliant bowling from Dilip. He did not give any extra room for the batsman to play in the big shot. He was really accurate, keeping the ball around the off stump line, making batsmen very, very difficult to play the stroke. That is brilliant bowling from Dilip. Absolutely brilliant bowling. 5th time is bowling mark. 3 on the board in the super over. Oh, this time play the twisted batter shot. No one can stop the ball. Ball will race into defense for 4. Brilliant batting from Imtiaz Bengre. 7 on the board. Last one ball remaining. So here is the final ball of the first innings of in this super over match. What a match. Special thanks for the both team. So here is the final ball. Now Imtiaz can play the big shot. He knows wicket in hand. This time he played intelligently behind the square on the onside. They've gone for the second as well. A chance of runner, I think, is gone. Yes. Umpire Salim Halekote lifted his fingers sky level. That is the permission for the batsman join the party in the pavilion. So innings number 1 completed. 8 in the board. 9 is the target. STC ಜೆಪ್ಪು ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ 16 ಕರೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕರೆಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ನೀಡದೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟವು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಸಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನುಳಿದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹಸ್ತಾಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚಿಮಿಗೆಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕು.
ದಯಮಾಡಿ ರಕ್ತದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಕೇವಲ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ರಕ್ತವನ್ನ ದಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ರಕ್ತದಾನಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಹಿಂದುಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
STC ಜೆಪ್ಪು ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕ ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚಿಮಿಗೆ ಬರದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರಾಳಿ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚಿಮಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಜಯ್ ಎಂದು ಘೋಷಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು. So KCCR Kadri required 9 runs to win this super over game. Atif, the man with the golden arm. What a cricketer he was. Started to play for deadly cricketers Kankanadi. After that played for NM Mangalore. Now he become the permanent member of Young Friends Urva. 9 required in 6 ball in the super over. The holiday yesterday, even in the night, 2:46 a.m., the full house in this Delakate ground. There is a real atmosphere, in fact, a festival atmosphere in the ground. And also a match played between Konaja Police Station versus Ullal Police Station. That time, most of the spectators showing their flashlight. That really Deepavali atmosphere in the outside the ground. And what a day yesterday we had. Eventually, Konaje Police Station won the match against Ullal Police Station yesterday night. And here's the 9 target to win this match. Hall. ಸೂಪರ್ ಓವರ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಸಮಬಲವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚಿಮ್ಮಿಗೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಡದ ಪ್ರಭಾವಿ ಅಮನ್ ರವರ ಮೈಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಮನ್,
ಪಂದ್ಯವು ಸಮಬಲವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಣ್ಯ ಚಿಮ್ಮಿಗೆ. Lovely stroke there. Very difficult place to field. And Imran, brilliant work from Imran wearing the jersey number 04. He was the member of that Krishnapura side. He is another very good young and talented cricketer, Imran. Because that part of the ground, very difficult to field. Even we can see the electrical tower in front of him. Even the small error ball can change the direction. That's why very difficult place to field. Damoda this time waiting for the umpire signal. He's not out. Look at Mansoor behind the stump. He is electrified wicketkeeper. Brilliant wicket keeping work.
Aman.
So 3,500 viewers watching in this Super O match. Special thanks for Bedra Media providing such a wonderful service. Live telecast in YouTube channel at Bedra Media, Irfan and company, and also special thanks for cameraman and the screen scoreboard editor. And here is 3,500 viewers watching in this Super O match. And what a day we are witnessing here. 2 balls are completed, 1 on the board. Now 8 required in remaining 4 ball. Brilliant bowling. Inside edge of the bat. Mansoor is really confident. Definitely inside edge. Umpire was saying that after hitting the bat, ball is hit the ground. After only Mansoor was collected. That what exactly umpire was said there. So here is a very good ball from Atif. 8 required in 3 delivery. What a match. Super over in progress. The viewers are really increasing there. Almost touching to 4K now. It's a brilliant match we are witnessing in this Delakate ground. They're taking lots of time. One big shot from here. Definitely KCCR Kadri, they can come back in this super over. 8 required in 3 delivery. Definitely the festival atmosphere in the Delakate ground. What afternoon we are witnessing here. 2 very good team. Atif, the man, having the ball on his hand. Damodar at the striker's end. But having Sandeep at the non-striker's end, that's a very good sign for young friend Surva. Sandeep is the big hitter of the cricket ball. He's at the non-striker's end. Atif. Good delivery. Look at Mansoor behind the stump. Less than a second, the stump out was completed. That is electrify work. One of the 9th wonder of the world, that is stumping of Mansoor behind the stump. Is brilliant behind the stump. He got a fraction of second to do that work. How cleanly made it that. Simple out of that. Brilliant work behind the stump from Mansoor Rantadka. He is one of the best wicket keeper in the history of underarm cricket. Mansoor from Rantadka. Brilliant work. So the field placement, Ashwin protecting that long off boundary. Now Ajmal was thinking he need one extra fielder. Being a captain himself, he's come into the straight long off region. Last 2 ball remaining. 2 ball, 8 required to win this match. I request the players as soon as possible complete the match. 2 ball, 8 required. Lot of changes in the field. Now Imran coming to short extra cover region. Ashwin at deep extra cover boundary. Isham protecting that backward point boundary. The new man into the middle. Good looking stroke into the deep extra cover region. They had opportunity going for the second run. 1 ball, 7 required to win this match. Can we have one more time match here? If Super O ties, toss will be decided. Who will through to the another round? 7 required in remaining 1 ball. Can Sandeep play the big shot here? So Ajmal marshalling his field there. Himself he was protected. One of the best fielder in underarm cricket. So Imtiaz Vengre at short third man region. Sharan at short fine leg region. Ashad LT protecting that mid wicket boundary. Imran Krishnapura protecting that wide east long on region. Ajmal at long off. Atif having the ball on his hand. Tanveer at short mid wicket. He was at short mid on at this position. Now Isham coming to long off and Ajmal going to the long on region. They have protected that in front of the square leg. Wide is long on, square leg and mid wicket. They protected with the three fielder. Imran, LT Arshad and Ajmal protecting that area. Here's the final ball. 7 required to win this. In fact, win this match for KCR Kadri. That might be down the leg side. We are getting more interest on this match. Wide down the leg side. Every passing ball, people are edge on their seat. Look at the crowd enjoying every moment of the match around the ground. This is a beautiful view of the ground. Is a 1 ball, 6 required. Sati with the brilliant ball. Congratulations, young friend Surwa. And also thanks for KCCR Kadri. They not won the match, but they won the heart of every spectator in this match. Once again, thanks for all the cricketer of KCCR Kadri. They are outstanding with the bat and ball, but unfortunately, some part of the match, they are really looseness because of that 2 poor ball taken the team out of the tournament. The man of the match, undoubtedly, taken the team into the almost victory mark, but still, he is a man of the match. Tanveer, please come to the podium and collect your man of the match medal. From Sharif, the owner of FA Tiles, present that man of the match medal to Tanveer from young friend Surwa. After a long time, brilliant match come to an end. Special thanks for KCR Kadri, one of the decent team in the underarm cricket. The leadership of Sandeep, the 2 brothers Sandeep and Shailesh. I request Tanveer, please come to the